start using the finger ding ring, it helps if you put your thumb on the outside. This gives you more of a feel of a regular knockdown. That'll be your view, kind of how you're using it. Once you get the feel of it, you won't need to use it. It was designed to be on the side of your finger, as shown here. Also wear it on top of your finger. This eliminates the need to pivot it. And it still gives you, your hand is completely at rest, you have high visibility, and as you can see, you have quite more clearance than it looks like from the video, so you're not at risk of smacking the back of your hand. And then I found the sweet spot is right in between the two on the 45-degree angle, which really, you don't have to flip it. It gives you great visibility, great comfort and control. Just that's where I like to use it. There are some freaks, however, that like to wear it on their thumb. There's no hope for people like that. No, with any dent tool, however you use it, as long as you fix a dent, you're using it right. So however you feel the ding ring is most comfortable, use it that way. Thanks for watching.